Electric vehicles, EVs, have several advantages and disadvantages compared to traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, ICVs. Here are some key points for each. Pros: environmentally friendly. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, especially when charged using renewable energy sources. Energy efficiency. EVs are generally more energy efficient than ICVs, converting more energy from the grid into vehicle movement. Lower operating costs. EVs have lower operating costs per mile-kilometer compared to ICVs due to the lower cost of electricity compared to gasoline or diesel. Reduced maintenance. EVs have fewer moving parts than ICVs, leading to lower maintenance costs and fewer trips to the mechanic. Quiet and smooth operation. EVs are quieter and offer smoother acceleration compared to ICVs, providing a more comfortable driving experience. Incentives and tax credits. Many governments offer incentives and tax credits to promote EV adoption, reducing the upfront cost for buyers. Cons: limited range. Most EVs have a limited driving range compared to ICVs, which can be a concern for long trips or in areas with limited charging infrastructure. Charging infrastructure. The availability of charging stations can be limited, especially in certain regions or for those without access to home charging. Longer refueling time. Charging an EV can take longer than refueling an ICV, especially with slower chargers, which can be inconvenient for some drivers. Upfront cost. EVs often have a higher upfront cost compared to similar ICVs, although this gap is narrowing as battery prices decrease. Battery degradation. Over time, the battery in an EV will degrade, leading to reduced range and performance, although most EVs come with warranties that cover battery degradation for a certain number of years. Charging grid strain. If EV adoption increases significantly without a corresponding increase in charging infrastructure and grid capacity, it could strain the electricity grid. These pros and cons vary depending on individual needs, driving habits, and the availability of charging infrastructure, making it important for each person to consider their own situation when deciding whether an EV is right for them. Ready to stay updated on all the latest content and insights? Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel now, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends and colleagues who would benefit from our valuable information. Together, let's build a community of knowledge and engagement. Subscribe, share, and ring that bell to never miss a beat. Thank you for your support.